Neha's kitchen. So today I'm going to do watermelon mojito summer specials as per the viewers request. So let's get started. So firstly I have some squeezed watermelon, then ice cubes, then sliced lemon, then few mint leaves, then sugar syrup and lemon juice. So let's get added with sugar syrup, then lime juice, then we'll add few watermelon squeeze, few mint leaves, and few sliced lemons, and few ice cubes. So yes, I'm going to give a mix after adding soda. So yes, we are going to add soda into it. After adding soda, let's give a small mix. Finally, our watermelon mojito is done. So thank you for watching. Finally, our watermelon mojito is done. So thank you for watching. Finally, our watermelon mojito.
The reason for making this mojito recipe was each year on July 11th, people across America raise a glass of marked National Mojito Day, and cocktails consist of white rum, sugar, lime juice, sparkling water, and mint. And so instead of using alcohol, we have given you a non-alcoholic mojito recipe, and we hope you enjoy.